Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, can I fund one annuity with required minimum distribution money? Basically what this person's asking is, hey, I've got to take an RMD. Can I fund it in an annuity with it? The answer is yeah, you can. Depending on the type of annuity that you want to buy, whether it's, we would recommend a fixed annuity, or excuse me, a MYGA or a fixed index annuity. But yeah, it's your money. You can do what you want. You would basically take the RMD out and you'd pay the taxes, and then you would put it into a non-qualified annuity. The gains will be taxable tax deferred interest. Okay. And you can defer the taxes for the rest of your life. If you're married, you can keep deferring the taxes for the rest of your life. And let's say you pass away, your wife's still alive, she can pick up the contract through spousal continuance and continue to defer the interest and grow the account. And then when she dies, if you have any children or non-spousal beneficiaries, then they can pick up the annuity and pay the taxes on it. So you can pass on the taxes to somebody else that's going to inherit it. But yeah, that's perfectly fine. One idea that I typically recommend is if you don't have long-term care insurance, maybe think about funding a long-term care annuity. It's just an extra protection for yourself while you're alive. The government says you've got about a 70% chance that you're going to need to go into a nursing home or assisted living or home health care just because of dementia, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, etc. Right? You could use that RMD. That RMD can either double or triple in value for long-term care benefits. And if you don't use it, it can be passed down to your beneficiaries in a lump sum. Not the benefit part of it, but the original RMD amount. So just something to think about. If you got any questions, leave a comment below or visit us at the Annuity Expert. And you could, as you can see here, we update our fixed rates daily. And then we have a calculator here that'll show you real-time annuity payouts if you want to do that. And then we can give you a free comparison quote. No obligation, no cost, no pressure. Just to see if funding a new annuity with your RMD makes any sense. It may not make sense, and we'll be sure to tell you that. 770-755-1565, and like, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll catch you on the next video. See ya.